Contains 24 super rolls, 4 packs of 6 rolls, equals 36 regular rolls, 81 sheets per roll. 2x more durable when wet versus the leading value brand. Cloth-like texture that is soft on skin. Ideal for deep cleaning and scrubbing. Works great as a rinse and reuse towel. Viva Signature Cloth paper towels have a premium cloth-like softness and durability to help you power through your toughest cleaning tasks. This pack of Viva paper towels includes 24 super rolls, with 143 sheets per roll. Viva Signature Cloth paper towels are 2x more durable when wet versus the leading value brand, standing up to the weekly bathroom deep cleaning or even removing stuck-on mess on pots and pans. Uniquely cloth-like, Viva Signature Cloth towels are ready to help you achieve an exceptional deep clean around your home. Top reviews from the United States. Paper towels. I love this product. Viva Cloth paper towels are very strong, very helpful for someone that spills a lot or just to dry the dishes with. I love to use them for my window cleaning as well as cleaning my car with them. I also have used them to soak up the grease from the bacon I cook in microwave. So many ways you can use them. And the best part is when I have used them and put in my pocket and forgot them in them and went to do laundry and they haven't broke all up and make a complete mess. I will never buy anything else except for them, hands down. It's the best.